Load your family into the 2015 Dodge Journey. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.